The mochi turns super soft and chewy when baked and give these cookies a really unique texture. Hey reporters, welcome back, and it's my very own version of matcha green tea mochi cookies. When you got the base for baking cookies, you've got a foundation. So basically this recipe is truly copycat with my chewy chocolate chip cookies from my previous videos, and we just tweak some little bit flavors, so change with matcha powder and then stuff it with chewy soft mochi inside. It's still the same procedure: your unsalted butter, your caster sugar, your brown sugar, your egg yolk, whisk together until it's softened before you add on your dry ingredients. And then add on your dry ingredients, your all-purpose flour, your matcha powder and baking powder, and then fold it together. It has never been difficult to do mochi. Just combine all those ingredients, the tapioca starch, the sugar, the water, and pop it up in a microwave for at least 30 seconds interval, and then whisk together until it's thickened and cooked, and it's done. And then when setting up these delicious cookies, get your cookie dough. This is a tablespoon of cookie dough, and then a teaspoon of mochi. Then stuff it inside, roll up in your palm, and it's done. Here's the pretty good tips while baking cookies. When you're done, keep it in the fridge for at least an hour or two, or at least overnight before you bake it. This is to allow the leavening agent to do their job while the cookie is on rest. This is the only way that you can get those beautiful rice and cookie, soft and chewy cookies. And then set your oven at 160 degrees temperature and bake it for at least 14 to 15 minutes, and you have this delicious cookie. It's done. It's another fantastic recipe for today, everyone. This delicious cookie with the Asian tweaks of mochi stuffing inside. I'm telling you, it's definitely heaven. Thank you for watching, everyone. This is Podcast TV signing off for now. Hope to see you again soon, and saying bye bye.